See this barn behind me? It's time to clean it out.
Sniffing on an M, I need one of those. Sniffing on an M like I got a cold.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see in today's video, we're going to be cleaning out that pretty dilapidated, ugly brown barn out today. The reason I'm cleaning it out is, honestly, I don't want to. Who likes cleaning? No one likes cleaning. But inside that barn is something that is pretty cool, in my opinion. So you guys are gonna have to stay tuned, watch this whole video to see what we're undercovering in that barn, or recovering, I should say, in that barn. Kind of a barn treasure find, if you will. I don't even know what to call it, but it should be pretty cool. It's pretty exciting for me because I've never seen it. All I know is it exists in that barn, and my dad said all it needs is like a pull cord and it should run again, which there's no way that that's actually going to be the case. But nonetheless, we're going to get right into it, and we're going to show you guys, or I'm going to show you guys, because there's no war about it. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to try to get out of that barn today. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, watch this video all the way through. It should be pretty exciting. I was going to do a two-part teaser video, but you know, that's not necessary. So let's get right into it. I'll show you guys what kind of this barn, the state that this barn's in, and kind of show you what I'm getting myself into. So let's go. All right, guys, here's the first look. Here's the first look at this barn. I'm gonna have to really brighten it up. Yeah, so it's kind of a mess, as you can see. I have a filter on, so it's kind of hard to brighten it up too much without like making it look funky, but you guys can see that it's pretty nasty in here, and it's probably going to take me a little while to get it cleaned up. So just bear with me as I pull a bunch of crap out of here and try to get to the back right corner. You guys can't see it, but I can see it. There's handlebars back there, so this is pretty exciting. Let's just start moving crap out.
Came up from the bottom, started from the floor. Working 10 to 10 and a 10 to 4. Bags under my eyes on my mommy floor. Always know the plan, I know dummy knows. Always been myself, never had to fake. Had to cut off friends, had to lose a weight. Took a couple L's, charged it to the game. Since I switched my lane, never been the same. Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on an M, I need one of those. Sniffing on an M like I got a cold. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know.
Alright, guys, I had to run inside real quick to film this outro. It's a really windy outside, so hopefully my audio's not too terrible in the beginning of this video. If it is, I apologize for that. But that's really going to conclude today's video. That hidden gem was in that brown barn. I always knew it was there, but never really had like any passion or any desire to like actually go and get it out. I don't know why. It's definitely a super iconic machine that probably is going to bring bring back a lot of memories from the older generation. I know that my dad and his brothers did some stuff that they probably shouldn't have on that thing, but nonetheless, pulled that out. It's still in pretty decent shape. It's still going to take a lot of work. I'm going to essentially just reset that thing to back to factory settings. Yeah, it's going to be all original. I'm going to try to keep it as original as possible. Obviously, parts might be hard to find. I'm not really sure. I've never really dug into a three-wheeler build. So that's pretty exciting. So stay tuned for all of that. Share this to a buddy that also likes three-wheelers or wants to see me take the best stab at rebuilding this three-wheeler as I possibly can. Again, I'm not an expert at like anything, so just be careful of how much like mechanical knowledge you take from me. I try to know my best, but you know how that goes. So really, that's all I have for you guys today. Biggs World merch is probably going to launch here very soon. I really wasn't in a super big hurry to get that out, but enough people were really interested in it, so that's super cool. Super excited about that. I appreciate all of you guys that are, showed interest in that. So, I mean, I might as well just drop it. So stay tuned for that. Really, that's all I got for you guys today. So with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Like a leaf, for the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the silly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cover my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep.